How to buy Robux with PayPal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy Robux with PayPal. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step, search for roblox.com. Head over to your Roblox and log in into your account. After you've logged in into your account, you can then see the Roblox section. Tap on this Robux, and then you will see an option that says Buy Robux. Tap on it, and then you'll be redirected to this page right here. So right here, you can see the fixed price for Robux, and also your the Robux prices and offers. And after that, what you can then do is you can simply tap on whichever Robux you want to buy. I'll just tap on this and there we go. So right here, you should find your PayPal option. It's right there. So tap on PayPal. Then you'll get logged in into your PayPal. You'll have to go through the login process if you're not yet logged in into your PayPal. So just get the code, type that in here, and then you'll get logged in. After you've logged in into your PayPal, you can then simply go through the transaction process, and you'll have bought your Robux. And that's all for today's video, guys. That's how you buy Robux using PayPal. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.